Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, open settings, then go to the app and notifications, scroll down, go to the advanced, then go to the special app access, and then to the install unknown apps. Then you have to select an app which you want to grant access for installation from unknown sources. It could be Google Chrome. It could be also Google Drive. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.